Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa, Lisa. Hi love guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank each and every one of you for clicking on this video today. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today we are in one of my guest bathrooms, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be refreshing, decorating, and styling this guest bathroom. I have already gone through and did all of the scrubbing and the hard cleaning here. So the only thing I have to do now is to decorate. And so I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to be using black and white, the timeless colors in this bathroom. I want it to look spa-like. Wanted it to look really nice and warm and just ready for my guests to be able to enjoy. So without further ado, you all, go ahead and grab your seat, grab your drink, and grab you a snack of choice and get ready to enjoy as I decorate my guest bathroom. So to show you guys the before, this is what it's looking like. It is pretty much empty. There's nothing on the walls, which I will be adding decor on the walls. It smells so good and clean in here, you guys. And I do want to add some hardware here, but I'll be doing that at a later time. Well, scratch that. Let me correct that. Mr. Smith will do that at a later time. But this is the small guest bathroom, and we're going to be decorated. Hey. So we're going to be decorating, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. These are Builder-grade light fixtures here. I do want to switch those out, and I do want to switch this mirror out as well too. So that's going to be coming in the near future. One project at a time, y'all, because you know we got to try to stay on a budget. But yeah, this is the sink. And I actually picked out all of the finishes in here, and I love that I chose for the tile to go all the way up to the ceiling, as you guys can see. I love that. And because this bathroom is so small, it made it feel larger. And that is a very nice shower there, guys. All right, let's go ahead and start decorating. You guys enjoy the music. Love bugs, we are here. We are here with the reveal for one of my guest bathrooms. And like I stated in the beginning, we're doing the colors black and white. And I think I did pretty good with the black and white. I did add some like neutral tones in here, like on the shelf that's on the wall. It has, the shelves are kind of like a wood, a neutral tone, and then I added a picture on the wall, and it's trimmed in like the wood neutral tones, and as well as, you know, some other neutral tones you'll see. But anyway, it turned out cute. I think it is perfect, and yeah, let's go ahead and let you all see the reveal. I hope y'all like it, and if you do, give this video a big thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you like this type of content, whereas you'll click on that subscribe button. As you can see, I added the black rug. It's very, very, very fluffy, soft. Then here on the counter, we added this turner here with the soap and just a decorative piece there. And I may add something else on there, I'm not too sure. Or I'm just gonna keep it just like it is because I don't want it to be too crowded because the bathroom is small. And then we have our hanging towel displaying there. And then there's our beautiful round shelf here. I think it is perfect. We just have the greenery there with the candle stand and some black and white art, along with a black decor piece, a vase, washcloths, and some refresh scent there. And we didn't do anything here. Like I said, I didn't want it to be too much, so I didn't add anything here. But we have our tissue holder. We have our black press up trash can. And then we have our toilet cleaner brush there. And then over here, we have a black wrought iron basket with towels and washcloths for our guests. And then we have the towel display here. And we have a piece of artwork here. Now y'all saw me, I was struggling. I was trying to get this here beaded garland to go around, but I purchased it with it already tied, so it was kind of hard to do. So I went ahead and said, okay, this is gonna look good just like this. And I was gonna keep this wall right here empty, but I was like, no, we need something here. We can't keep it bare. We can't keep it bare, so we added that. So yeah, you guys, this is the refresh and decorating and styling of one of my guest bathrooms. And I hope you guys like it enough to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave some comments down below. And guess what, y'all? At Home with Lisa Lisa is going to see y'all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.